In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Adobe Illustrator to default settings. If Illustrator has been acting strangely, or if you changed a setting and want to get everything back to its original state, this is a simple process that can help. Resetting preferences returns Illustrator's settings to the default configuration, which can be useful for troubleshooting or starting fresh. To begin, open Adobe Illustrator on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once the program is open, look to the top left area of the menu bar and click Edit. From that menu, find Preferences. When you hover over Preferences, another menu will appear. From there, click General. This will open the Preferences panel. Once the panel appears, make sure you are in the General section. In some cases, the panel may already open there, but if not, you can simply click General from the list on the left side of the Preferences window. This is important because the option we need is located there. Now, look for the button labeled Reset Preferences and click it. This tells Illustrator that you want to remove your current customized preference settings and restore the default ones. Keep in mind that this affects your application preferences. So if you've changed interface behavior or other settings in the past, those will return to their original defaults. After clicking Reset Preferences, a confirmation prompt will appear. Go ahead and click OK to confirm. This finalizes the reset request inside Illustrator. At this point, there's one more important thing to do. Close Adobe Illustrator completely and then reopen it. The reset does not fully take effect until the application has been closed and launched again. So if you don't restart Illustrator, you may not see the changes right away. Once Illustrator opens again, your preferences should now be reset to the default settings. That means you're back to a clean baseline, which can often fix unexpected behavior or help if you want a fresh setup without manually changing each option one by one. And that's all there is to it. As long as you open Illustrator, go to Edit, then Preferences, then General, click Reset Preferences, confirm with OK, and finally close and reopen the app, you'll successfully restore Illustrator to its default settings.